welcome back. Just a quick update, I'm starting to work on the seat because I'm actually delayed in getting the final couple of seals I need for the engine build. You can see here on the fuel tank I've changed the profile to get rid of that lip to make it easier for the foam to blend in. And you know, so far the tank and the seat profiles look pretty good and they match pretty well together. And I'm starting to think about the side covers, so I'll probably make my own side covers, either fiberglass or steel, and they will look something like this, not sure yet. Now, I'm no expert in seats, but Tony O'Connor from Eldorado is, and he is the person I'm using to do this seat padding for me. So here he is, just making up the base, and the plan is that we'll get this all foamed up, ready with the profile of the seat done, and once I've finished the bike and it's spray painted, I'll come back and Tony can put on the final seat covering as the very last step in this build. So you can just see here what we're trying to do, and it's a bit of a sample of, you know, a bit of foam sitting on there with some vinyl, just to show you how we're trying to make the top of the seat blend into the tank. So I think this is going to look really good when it's done, and I want this to be the last step for a few reasons. One is so that I don't damage anything on the seat padding, and you know, once it's painted I can figure out exactly if I want a pattern on there or a different color or whatever. So I'll leave Tony's contact details in the description box, and in the next video I should finally get around to putting the engine back together. Stay tuned.